Okay, so welcome everyone. We're about to start our session for today. So for those of you who, when I asked earlier if you're in the Google Classroom, if you are, please let's go there now. But I want to do this before we start today. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Okay, please move to your Google Classrooms.
No, it's breaking.
I'm breaking.
The network is breaking up.
The problem. I don't think it's from my end. If you can hear me, please, a show of hands. If you can hear me, be sure that you. The rest of you cannot hear me.
I can hear you.
Yeah, just raise your hands. I want to see the amount of people that can hear me so that we can get started. And they can, you can't hear me. Taking me. Tolu,
We
you
can
guys
hear
can't
you.
hear me. Then raise your hands. I need to see the hands for anything else. Yeah. That's it, but I don't even think them this call. But let's it as probably your network if you can't hear me. As for those who can hear me, please move to your Google Classroom. Let's start. But our assign it soon. If you are there, just tell me you're there so I can start because this not starts now. Are you guys there?
Yes, sir,
I think the rest is there.
Yes, sir.
If you are there, come here, play your hands, then go back. So that's because of stars. This is supposed to be for like at least 10 minutes, for at most 10 minutes, rather.
Favor, would it be time based?
Hmm?
Would it be time based?
So that we can get this thing done fast, I'll set a due date for like maybe like 10 minutes after I start, after I sign.
All right, all right.
Yeah.
Everybody should be ready.
If you guys are ready, come here, raise your hands, and then go back. I need to see. I need to know that when I start, I don't want any excuses. Pastor, okay, ready. They can. Rest of you. You guys are supposed
I'm
to
ready.
redeem yourself today.
I'm ready.
Okay. All right.
Stop, stop.
Okay. Okay. Posted it. You guys should do it to answer the next 10 minutes. Always say,
Sir, I didn't hear you. Please, what did you say?
I said I've posted it up. It has been assigned.
Oh,
Please, everyone, start going to your Google Classroom so they can start working on your tests. For those that didn't get that, start moving to your Google Classroom.
Permission to be closed after. That's all I have to say. If by the time, let's set the time for 10, 12, I can put an extra 3 minutes. But after that, it will close on its own. And you're not going to submit. That's zero. Yeah.
Hope I've all gone. Okay, if they've gone, they shouldn't be hearing me anymore. Okay. So you're sure 10 minutes will be okay for the test?
Yeah, that's what I said. I'll probably add like an extra 3 minutes when it's close to that time. But
Add
it should be
extra.
done within
Add extra
within
five.
10 minutes.
Add
Extra
extra
5.
five. Yeah.
Normally we done with the 10 minutes, but I'll add it.
All right.
So please, some people are still doing the Google Classroom.
They're still
How I,
setting it up.
Yeah.
Who and who?
Okay,
who are they
my sister.
taking?
Yeah.
She didn't have it set up since.
She did, but like when I tried logging into it, it said account deleted or something.
Wow.
Right.
And
Okay, I'll
now,
give it a separate assignment. I don't think I can, but I don't want to stop this thing now.
you give her. Okay.
I'll give her a
Wait,
separate
you give
this.
her.
Yeah,
Okay.
she'll have it separately. That's an exception.
We'll do the makeup probably for those that will know. You just continue with your own. Alright, I've added some extra time. So they're not for you guys. I hope you guys are getting ready to submit too. It's almost time.
Yes, sir.
There's this thing in like 4 minutes. So hope you guys are almost done because I didn't think it was that hard.
I'm done.
If you're done, turn it in. Okay, for those of you, time is up. If you, as you're submitting, just know that I'm taking marks from your work because you wasted time. And the later you submit, the more marks I'll take. So please start submitting now because I'll know who submitted late. Thank you. Also, if you've found it in, please signify in the group so I'll know who is who. Thank you. Sorry, not on the group, on the call. If you've found it in, signify on the call. People have seen you. Okay. Who else? Not I have seen you. Demand favor, that's the can. Okay. Pathway. Who else has not submitted? Your brother. So Akan has not submitted yet. So okay, Chair hasn't submitted. Okay, don't know about you. Akan.
The Akan has submitted, and I have submitted too.
Who is demand favor? Akan. As I can submitted. Because I can't find
No,
him.
I have favor.
I know I've seen your submission. You
Oh,
Pathway.
Dini was in. Oh,
Who is on
So
if
I
you have submitted.
submitted.
Did you just
I'm
submit
using
now?
the
So my name
green
is
account.
Ion. No,
Is
so I
that
submitted vaccine. I think I was the first.
your name? Oh, so you're Ion.
So my name is Ion. Yeah.
Okay, that means if your name is and then I've seen you. Raise your hands
Okay.
up.
So I
Tolu,
was,
what did you
Sir,
say?
so I'm about to submit. I'll be submitting less than 10 seconds. But I actually want to tell you that my brother and I actually share the same system. So as I'm submitting, I want to start it soon.
What?
My brother and I are sharing the same system for now. So I want to inform you that as I'm submitting now, you just want to start soon.
What's okay. Okay. But you submit yours first. Rikechi. Firstly, you that you submitted, what was your
Huh?
name? What's your name
Um,
on Google Classroom?
um, have you seen any accounts using Oina?
Oh, it turned it in late now. That's fine. I'll see your submission. Rikechi.
Okay, so how many people have submitted now?
Right now, 6, like 5.
Five.
5 have
Okay.
submitted. Yeah.
Yeah, the ones that their hands are up now.
The ones that the hands are up now. I'm waiting
All
for
right.
Tolu.
How many minutes left?
Oh, already the thing has ended. People done later, taking marks from them. So instead of just closing it all at once,
No. Don't take back. Just give them extra time.
extra time. I've given them like enough extra time.
How many?
And the
How many?
ones that are submitted,
How many minutes extra time do you give?
we get them like 6. I'll be 7 because it's not supposed to end around 10, 12. I gave them enough, and it wasn't that hard.
How many marks are you deducting?
So I won't take much. Not like 2, 3, 4. I don't want to take much. I'm not that kind of person.
All right.
So you say you're coming in 10 seconds. I'm still waiting for you
Everyone should hurry
so
up.
you can get me,
We don't have time.
so I can get me this stuff.
So now I've submitted in check.
Okay, I've seen yours. AK is having problem. I'm not sure about Felicitas. Felicitors, did you do this thing? I wish I had the makeup so that I can start today's work on it. You can start what we're doing today, and I'll mark your stuff and send it to the group. So if you have submitted, raise your hand up. Tolu, okay, that's good. Okay, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? I need to know you're hearing me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so for the 6 that I've submitted, it says you told I'm waiting for your. You can start today's. I need to know if Felicitas and
So,
Akan, and Dekan. Felicitas, Akan and Dekan, how is your sister? She be able to do that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. Sir, someone said that they'll give her a makeup test, something like that.
Oh, that's true. I suppose we're going to give a STEM makeup test. So I'm about to start this class. For those of you who have handed it in, I will mark that. Probably like during the class, like maybe I'll mark that. And I'll check your answers, and I'll probably. Anyway, I think I'll after some discussions with my partner, I'll know whether to post on the group or tell you scores tomorrow. Wisdom, I send call. Sometimes I want to ask before we start what we're supposed to do today. Wisdom. Yeah, just a quick. I think you're on the call, but just a quick
Excuse me,
one.
sir.
Who who
Um,
is about who is about to ask the question? Akan.
sorry, before I can pause you, you wanted to ask me something. I didn't get
Yeah,
it.
before Akan. Yeah, I wanted to ask if we should post on the group today or tell them their scores tomorrow, then post it tomorrow.
If what?
If we should post their scores on the group today,
Sir,
because
post
Yes,
today.
it will be tomorrow.
tomorrow, okay,
Yeah.
you guys should wait in anticipation. Because,
Have some tension.
yeah, need to get some.
Yeah, tomorrow
All right,
morning.
tomorrow morning I think I will post it as I'm telling you your scores so that there'll be no there'll be no this thing shout anyway. But thank you. Let's start today's work.
All right.
Okay. I wanted to ask you something before we start. Akan,
So, please, you say I'm going to post the thing on YouTube, that CSS class, because I didn't really understand that class.
it wasn't posted. Wait, what's CSS class? Is it the one we had on Friday?
Yeah, so I checked on I checked on YouTube. I don't see.
Is it the one we had Friday? And the Akan, is it the last class we had or the
Yes,
first
sir.
CSS? The last class. I kept asking if you understood what you were telling me yes, but it's alright. No excuses. Because I told you to go and practice saying your own. But let's get into today's class. Since you did not understand, totally you can keep your hands down now. Since you don't understand, I'll do a brief run over because I want to end CSS today. The rest you want to continue on it, you can build on it on your own time. But you are running with a fixed schedule, so we have to meet up. Now, all of you
Sorry,
can hear me, right?
hold on. Before you continue, let me just
Okay.
apologize. Yeah. So, I'm sure most of you must have gone to YouTube and checked, and then didn't see the video in frustration. So that I don't know. It's not actually on us to. It's not it's not our duty to like do the posting of the videos yet. So that is on the CodeHauz management, right? So I have actually made a few complaints to them to like make the posting on time, but I actually thought it was posted, but I'm now getting the feedback that it's not there. So I'll reach out to them to work on that. All right. So my apologies. Is that okay?
You guys
Yes,
hearing?
sir.
Yes, sir.
You can proceed.
Okay. Thank you for that. I can hear that it's not really on us, but we'll get that up and running soon. So let's let's get on with today's work. Besides, and they can possibly come back. I would like who understood the class we had last on CSS, the one you can clearly see on my screen now. I need hands because if you guys don't understand, then I don't know what you did on your test. So I need hands.
At least what class are you talking about?
The last class we had on CSS, the one that I told you we give you test on, the one you're seeing on my screen.
I did understand. I understood.
If you understood, I need your hands to be up. If not, then I have no idea what I'm going to expect on your test. If you don't understand last class and you pass your test, then there'll be a problem somewhere. So, if you understood, please a show of hands. It can't be only Andy. That's the way. How about the rest of you? Okay. I can say you don't understand.
So I didn't want to make it as if I use ChatGPT for that test because then if I pass the test and I don't understand the class, that means something is wrong. So like I don't decide to just raise up my hand.
But you do not understand. So help you understand how you would have passed the test.
No, so I understand like I understood the easy aspect. I just had to like common sense to like get that.
Sure, sure. Okay, sure. And Deacon, the role is here to solve this test. Let me ask you. And Deacon, I know you can hear me. I don't know what to get
Yeah,
the protein
yes,
about
sir,
that.
yes, sir.
Your brother is AI and
This
his
is,
test.
I don't went to the restroom now.
Hmm?
Did my brother use what? I just went to the restroom now for your call, Jay.
Did your brother use AI to answer his test questions? Did he?
I can do it, yeah. I can't see your screen from here. What do you mean? I can't see the screen from where I'm staying.
Okay. Let's get on with the class then. For those of you who understood, and they can raise their hand first, I want you to tell me what we did in our last class, because I don't want
Okay.
to waste time running through that again.
Okay. So basically, last class we just talked about how you could use sections and identify. Uh, so how can you use like classes and identify like, for example, there was this line of code you did last last class where you went to your HTML and then you typed whether section class equals to a random variable, the like a random variable. Uh, well, and then they also did like H2 class that like use section class to like identify a section, while you use H2 class to identify only a particular H2, like where you have to put the class, the opening bracket and the closing, the opening arrow and the closing arrow. Like last class just taught us how to like specifically those classes specifically and and the sections.
Okay, we tried. Tried. The way you explained it, your own words, that means I think you do on the test. First way, you are up next. What did we do in the last?
So I have something there.
No, first way raised the hand before you. So first way, you can tell us what we did last time. That'd be great. After you still.
In the last class, we just talked about the classes, how to give let's say you have two H2s in your code, how to specify by giving it a class name. And we also talked about the width, that's this width and fit content. We talked about it. We also talked about the margin and display function. So
Okay. Can you explain class for me?
okay, class is just like a name given to a specific, it's like a name given to the the part of your code that you want to specify so that you can design it differently.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, you can mute yourself now. Tolu, you're up next.
Yes, sir.
You can speak now. What did we do last time?
Okay, last time you told us about classes, CSS. You talked about how to create classes for sections and for functions like page. You can create a class for each in your CSS page. Just create a color for it.
What was that last part again?
But
What was that last part you said? Come again.
yes, I was talking about that you told us how to create classes to make a color for an element like H2, like the class H2, the color would be maybe blue or red, something.
Okay, all right. Rikichi, your hand was up. So I assume you understood what I did last time. Can you tell us what you understood? I don't think I'm recording myself. Okay. For those of you who probably still do not understand how can included, let me run over it a bit. So in the last class, if you can hear me, you guys can hear me well.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
we can hear it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Class.
Yes, sir,
Yeah,
go ahead.
okay, thank you. Next time, just raise up your hands. Thank you. Now, let's see. In our last class, I talked to you about section and class, and how it's needed in CSS. So I told you that section is what used to build a specific page, a specific set of things on your web page. This tells a web page that you're talking about a specific like as name implies specific section on your web page. Now, what's class? Class is the name given to that specific section. It is what you use to is what is used to identify the section you're talking about, which is why you can have the same you can have H1 in two different sections, but designed differently. So I thought about that, thought about how to go about styling it the way you use it on my CSS. I won't really touch more on that. Hopefully the videos will be up and running so you can go and rewatch if you need more clarification. Now I thought about how we could style multiple H2s in the same section using class. Hope all of you understood that.
Yes,
Did you
sir.
guys understand? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now today I'm going to show you about the div. Now some people, because in the course of my teaching, you guys are going to ask me what is the difference between div and section. Now let me tell you what div is. Div is a general purpose container. It is used to group. It's a general container that is used to group multiple HTML contents together. Now it basically works as like section. A section only groups like specific and important things, like what you're seeing here, the hello world, that particular everything about that particular section or that particular heading. Now, the important difference between a div and a section is that a section is a meaningful part of your page. Like this place, let's say this place was something, because all I did was, okay, let's use the CodeHauz. This is a meaningful part of a page because it's about CodeHauz, that's the place that we are. Now, a div is just a general container if you wanted to group all of this just to organize them. Do you guys understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's walk
Yes,
from
sir.
both guys understand that when I want ask guys to explain this again. If people will be telling me that I don't understand. I can. Do you understand? Tell me now.
Yes, I understand.
I can. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, sir. We can see your screen.
Okay. Now for your div and section, it works basically the same way. For a particular div you want to design, you still need a class. So let's work on that right now. Those of you that are you guys on your VS Code? Or are you guys just listening to me? For those who want to be.
Sir, I'm on my VS Code.
Okay. For those of you that are on your
Yes,
VS Code, let's
my face.
okay. You guys still have what you did last time, right? So that we can just continue from there. For those who are not, please just watch. By the time you download it, you'll be able to implement all of this. Now, for those of you who are, let's get started. And like I said, it works the same way. You put your class inside the div opening tag, not after it. So we go here, it starts with class equals to let's use this card. and you put the same regular heading to H1, H2, all those things. When you've put that, you want to carry some of you along. I'll give you some time to write anything you want inside your H2. When you're done, raise your hand. For those who are on your VS Code, you want to carry guys along. Okay, and they can. That's good.
Please, I didn't hear what you said. What did you say?
Oh, I said I'll give you some time to add whatever you want to add inside your div, your H2, probably a paragraph. That's okay. They can raise their hand. How about the rest of you? All right. Are you guys done? I guess done. Can you not hear me? Are you done? I want to move on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Let's move on to learning div and section are basically the same thing. The only difference about the div and section is that, like I said, a div is a just for like a general booking of something, while the section is like a specific part of the web page you want to talk about. Is that right? So let's say in your section you're just typing random things, nothing important per se. You can use a div to just group all of it inside and design it how you want. All right. You guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Can only begin. Can you understand? Please up your hand because I will ask. So if you understand, raise up your hand. Let me take note of that now. Can't see any harm said that they can. I need you guys to be interactive in this class, otherwise I'm going to get another test. So if I cannot see some raised hands in the next 30 to 40 seconds, there'll be a problem.
Well, I guess 3 marks if if no one else raises up their hand.
Do what?
I can get I can get 3 marks if no one else hand.
Maybe. We'll see. But I know that you guys can hear me, so I don't know why your hands are not being raised. If you can hear me and understand what I'm saying, raise up your hand. 2, 18, I can tell me. If you did not understand me, and if you not raise your hand, I'll take it as you don't understand me. So if you don't understand me, ask your questions now before I move on. Nobody has a question. So that means everybody understood. Did everybody understand? Flowers, you have a question.
Yes, sir. Please, can you repeat what you said a div and a source is?
So are you just joining?
Yeah.
Are you just joining? Can you hear me? Your network
No,
sounds
I
deep.
heard. No, it was unclear when you explained it. I couldn't hear your voice, so I didn't get it.
Okay. You can mute yourself now. All right. Now, the difference between a section and a div, not div and source. The difference between the sections I taught you in our last class and the div I'm showing you now is that a section is used if you want to talk about a specific, like if you want to talk about specific things like coders and their services. Okay. While while a div class is just basically used to group things together if you want to organize them. Flowers, you understand?
Yes, I understand now. Thank you.
Okay. Now let's keep going. So if you guys understand that, styling a div is basically the same thing. You go check the name of your div class and you start with your dots class that are used and you open your curly brackets. Basically the same thing. And then you change the color to, let's go with the background color for your class. Let's change it to, yeah, can you mute yourself? The rest of you, are you following what I'm doing? Note that whenever you're adding things into your HTML and your CSS, you first save on your HTML, then you go to your CSS and save, so that when you want to run it, everything runs smooth. Now, for those of you who are following me, if you have reached this left and you've saved on both your index, the HTML, and your style, you can run your code. Okay, let's show you how it turned out.
So so mine is working.
Yours is working. Okay, that's good. For those of you who also doing on your VS Code, I hope yours is working as well. Now, this is basically the same thing as your, like I said, it's basically the same thing as your, what do you call it, your section. The only noticeable difference between your div and your, what do you call it, your section is that section groups. If you want to talk about a specific area of your web page, like you want the web page that you're talking about, that this place is its own specific section, then you use a section. If you just want to group random things together and organize them, you can use your div. If you're not talking about anything specific, do you understand?
Yes, you understand.
Do you
Yes, sir.
understand? Let's go back to your VS Code. All right. Now, that's really basically it for what I wanted to show you on div today. It's not really because I wanted you to do your test. Maybe I show you something on div, then maybe touch a little bit into Java. Thinking the Java thing because of our time. Okay, now while I hope I'm getting Java sorted for you guys, I want you guys to do something in the class. Can you guys
So, so please, do you
who
need
who
to?
who and who have their VS Code open?
So I have my yes to do it.
I know Andikan has his. I don't know why to is using his hand. So if you have yours open,
So how
raise your
mine
hand
open?
up.
Yes,
I
I
can
have.
have it open. So you have yours open. Fasih has hers open. Flowers, how about you? Do you? Are you on this call? Flowers, is yours open? Mota, is yours open? Okay. For those of you who have it open, it's going to be a little exercise. Now, what I'm going to do is, let's take a bit of time so that you clean everything else you've done and do a simple web page, but that's going to take some time. So just clean up your CSS. Just clear everything on your CSS. You're going to do something for me.
So I think you should
You
clear
have done
everything.
so.
Yes, sir.
Everything you did on your CSS, just CSS, leave the index of HTML.
Okay.
Because I want you guys to create a very little thing. I want you guys to, are you guys listening? Because I want to give you a little work to do.
Yes, sir, I'm listening. Yes, sir, I'm listening.
Okay. Now, Felicitas, you don't understand what I did on, hold on. Felicitas, do you understand what I did on this? Felicitas, I know on the call. Christine, I'll be Christian. Are you guys not on the call? Did you understand what I was doing?
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Since Christian the sort of thing. I don't know if it's sustained before. For those of you who have your VS Code open, guess what you're going to do for me? What you need to do is I need to give you guys a little break. Because when you come back, I'm going to tell you what we're going to be doing next time. Because I wanted to do JavaScript today, but I don't think there's enough time for me to cover more. Um, so I'm going to do a little thing for me as we end CSS today. You guys have all cleared whatever you wrote under your CSS, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, so that I can give you what you have done. If you have
Yes,
cleared
sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
everything you
have
wrote
learned.
under
Yes,
your
sir.
style of CSS, tell me.
We should tell you what you have learned.
Okay. Okay, Sandra, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can
Sorry, we can hear you, but your
For your
volume is low.
face.
you hear me or no?
No, you're still faint, but we can hear you.
Okay. It's a problem and network issue, but sorry about that. But if you can you hear me like well now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I was going to tell you that what you're going to do for me is that you're going to change your background, your body's background. Going to be You're going to design your section and your. Are you guys listening to me? Hope you're writing this down because I don't have time to make it into a class talk. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you're listening. Then as I'm talking, I'll be writing it as a class work soon. So just listen. When you have done it, you can submit it there. So what I want you guys to do for me is you guys already have your H1 and everything in your HTML, right? What you're going to do is that you're going to design it. It's very simple for me. All I need is your body to be designed, a centralized H1. Okay, you can put a border should be around the H1. And you're going to design specific sections and multiple page tools inside each section. You don't understand. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So please, after centralized H1 and the border around this, please, what did you say?
After a centralization and the border around it, you're going to design your section. The section shall have its own color and the items inside the section, like your H1, your H2, all those things, will be designed. Now you're going to have multiple page tools. You're going to design each of them with their own
Sam,
color.
okay, okay, so multiple H2s in that same section.
Yes, in that same section.
Okay.
Okay. You guys know how to do that, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start doing it for a little while. I have to give me a moment to work on some things.
So are we going to add the div?
This basically was like a section. So thing about this you can use a section for something like a specific thing, then put this section. Like I said, this is just for grouping things you want to put and organize. It's not
Okay.
really anything too important. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
So I'm not speaking. I want to get to the point of comfort and talk about what we are doing. Okay, well, if you're still working on your web page, designing the web page activity,
So, so,
then
so please, I have
then
a question.
you can do. Yeah, what's the question?
So please, when you want to do
What's
this
and you can what's the question?
task you're giving us, uh, when we want
What?
to do this task that you've given us, no, when you want to you've given us, should we do it in the same file or we should create a new folder for the homework?
No, no, no. Just in that same style that CSS that you were doing before, but there should be nothing more than what I told you to do. That's all.
Oh,
Yeah. If you want to create a totally new file with your new index.html, then you can.
okay.
Do you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, okay. Okay. Now, Yeah. Okay. So, as you're doing what you're doing, just listen to me while I briefly talk about what we are doing tomorrow. Now, I don't know if it's me because I'm not feeling too well, but you'll be taught JavaScript, like as I said before, that for your web page, you're going to need it's going to be comprising of mostly three things: your index, your HTML, your CSS, and your JavaScript. Now, like I said, HTML is the skeleton of your web page, the basic things of your web page. Basic is everything, all the write-ups that are having in your web page, everything that you can basically see. You cannot basically see. It's basically the skeleton of your web page, HTML, the backbone, the everything, all your write-ups, all of that is your HTML. Now your CSS is the design, your skin, the skin of the web page. All the fancy things you're seeing, all your margins, your borders, your colors, your font sizes, everything about that is your CSS. Now, what is your JavaScript? JavaScript is basically the behavior and interaction of your what do you call it, of your web page. Let me use an example. I hope you guys are listening to me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's use an example because I'm going to show you this. Probably me. If it's me, I'll show you. If it's not me, then the person will probably show you this. Okay. Let's say you create a button on HTML. You'll be shown how to do that as you are working on JavaScript. Let's say you create a button on HTML. Now, what CSS to do is design the button, a button. And what JavaScript does is it makes something happen when you click that button. You understand? JavaScript is basically the what makes your page interactive. Like you can click on things, you can touch things on the web page. Do you guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, now, okay. So tomorrow you'll be shown how to create a JavaScript file. It's the same thing as creating CSS, but you'll be shown how to create a file on JavaScript under your folder, and you also be shown how to link your HTML to your JavaScript, just like CSS. You'll be showing your basic elements, your variables that you'll be using, and many more. Now, JavaScript is compared to CSS and HTML, JavaScript is probably the hardest thing you will learn in this web that we're doing. But we'll try to break it down for you guys so that you guys will understand and flow with us smoothly. All right. So that is basically everything you'll be doing on your JavaScript. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So things you probably do over the course of your JavaScript, because I don't think we're able to get into everything, Like I keep saying, when you are what we're showing you there is basically just an introduction so that you'll be ahead of people that have not started this thing. So if you want to do front end, you want to build on web, what you do is that what after what we're showing you, you go back on your own to do it by yourself. You guys understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And like I said, some basic things you would do. One of the first things you will learn is your console log. I'll not explain it now, I'll explain it then. The next thing you do is variables. Because next thing you do is variables. After that, your basic data types, basic calculations, and probably when data functions. If there's still time for more, we'll do more. All right. And I wanted to tell you to go read on it, read on it yourselves, but I already give you something to do. So if you can read on some basic JavaScript principles and variables, that would be nice. That will help you in tomorrow's class. All right. But if not,
Yes,
it will
sir.
still be taught again. It will still be taught. I prefer if you can finish this, because this doesn't take you, it won't take you 30 minutes to do. 10 minutes is even too much. Or if 20 minutes is even too much for this simple thing I asked you to do. So if you can, please research on JavaScript using web and how it applies to your HTML or your web page. So that it's if you do that, it makes tomorrow's class a lot easier for both me and you. All right. Do you guys understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just and they kind of was listening to me. Do all of you understand?
So what did you say we should research again?
Okay, I said that if you can, which
My network is not good. I've not been following.
oh, sorry about that. Hopefully, I really hope the classes will be up and running so that you'll be able to see what we did. But basically, what I said, I was telling them about what we'll do tomorrow, which is their JavaScript. I did a little explanation, a little talk on what JavaScript is about. I said it is basically the interactive part of your web page, all the clickings and everything like that. And after them, what they will probably learn during the course of this JavaScript, which are console logs, variables, basic calculations, basic data types, all of those things. And I'll say that if you can, because it will help both me and you in tomorrow's class, do a little research on JavaScript. Just a very little research. After you finish this, a very little research on JavaScript will help you a lot, both in tomorrow's class and in your separate study. So do you guys understand? That's what you asked. So do you understand tax research?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you have any questions on what we have done today and over the course of HTML to CSS, this is the time to ask, because I don't think I'll be coming back to most of this again, or whoever is teaching. I don't think the person will be coming back to most of this again, unless it's a brief revision. So do you understand? Because you're the one that's saying you were not understanding last time. So do you understand what we did again?
Oh, yes, I understand.
Yeah. The rest of you fully understand. Are you sure what I've been doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You guys understand? Okay,
Yes.
that's I don't think there's any more. Let me ask, I'm checking my partner is on the call. I can't find him, so I don't think he's on the call with me here. So as that is all I have for you today, I will be ending the recording now. So our class has basically ended. But stay back for a bit. Let me record your attendance. Okay, seeing as there's nothing more to say, I guess I can end this class here. Thank you all for joining. Please do well to go back and revise and work on what we have done since HTML to CSS.
Yeah, so
And do you have a question?
I'm going to submit the assignment.
Once I've done that, I was creating the assignment right now, which is why I took some time and why I was not talking. But I will post it once they're done. You submit it on there. All right. First, do you have a question?
Yeah.
Yes. The
Okay.
Google Classroom is actually on my phone, and
Yeah.
the VS Code
You
is on
can
my laptop.
still put it up on your laptop. It doesn't take much.
Okay.
Okay. This assignment is just really for you guys' benefits. So I won't really be taking the marks that seriously. So for those who submitted, I will grade you on what you've done. But for those who did not submit, if in case you don't like have VS Code or anything, that's fine. I will grade your test today and I will send it out tomorrow. So thank you for coming. That's the end of the class today.
Sir,
So
All right.
please, how about
sir,
those writing makeup?
is the audio going to be sent in YouTube so that I'll go through it again because my network has been bad and I didn't get
Oh,
anything.
sorry about that. Yes, it was supposed to have been sent to YouTube since we're going to work on that, but today's one will be added to those that will be sent to YouTube. Hopefully in the next 2 days. Between now and Wednesday, it should be up there. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Is
So
that
please, how
right?
about those writing makeup tests tomorrow?
Those that make up tests, I'll give them their own test separately. I'll look for a time to do that and I'll mark their grades separately.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So, are there any more questions that I should answer before I end this class? Or are you all caught up? Pastor, you have a question?
So do you say we should only change the background color or the
Change the background color, design a section, design multiple elements inside that section using your class, and basically what I've been doing. And make your heading centralized. All you see the instructions on the Google Classroom thing. All right. Pastor, is that all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Nobody said anything. Let me end the recording now.